Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make caramel matcha. We'll start by gathering our ingredients and equipment. Then, I'll guide you through crafting a rich, homemade caramel sauce. Next, we'll prepare the vibrant matcha tea perfectly. Finally, we'll combine everything to create a delightful, balanced beverage. Get ready to enjoy a comforting and flavorful drink in just a few easy steps. First, let's make our luscious caramel sauce. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1/4 cup of water. Cook this over medium heat, stirring occasionally until it reaches a beautiful golden amber, which usually takes about 5 to 8 minutes. Carefully remove it from the heat, then whisk in 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter and 1/2 cup of heavy cream until smooth. Be cautious, as it will bubble vigorously. Now let's prepare the star of our drink, the matcha. Sift 1 to 2 teaspoons of your favorite matcha powder into a bowl to prevent clumps. Add about 2 ounces of hot water, ideally around 175 degrees Fahrenheit, not boiling. Using a bamboo whisk or chasen, whisk vigorously in a W or M motion until a smooth, frothy layer appears on top. This ensures a vibrant, lump-free tea. Finally, it's time to assemble your delicious caramel matcha. Drizzle 1 to 2 tablespoons of your homemade caramel sauce around the inside of a tall glass. Fill the glass with ice, then pour in about 8 ounces of your favorite milk, whether it's dairy or a plant-based alternative. Gently pour the freshly whisked, frothy matcha over the milk. Stir lightly, sip, and enjoy your perfectly crafted, comforting beverage.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.